Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to change brush size on Snapchat. While drawing on your snaps, you are not only able to choose your brush color, but also change its size. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to the camera screen and click on the button in order to take a snap or upload a visual from your camera roll. On the right, find the pencil icon and press on it. If you want to change the brush size, simply use your two fingers to pinch in or out and you will make the brush size bigger or smaller. Actually, the similar motion you use in order to zoom in and out on a picture. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to change brush size on Snapchat. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.